Hey guys, so I'm giving you an update of lemon and sugar solution face scrub. I have done it already. When it dries up, this is how it's supposed to come out. If it's not like this, then you should give it some more time until it dries up to this point, you see. And then the other question that you guys asked is whether between this lemon and sugar solution and tomato and sugar, which one works perfect? So lemon and sugar solution is very effective in removing pimples, and then tomato and sugar is very effective in removing black spots. Egg white too removes black spot and pimples, so it's either you choose or you do them. Like if today you've done this lemon and sugar face scrub, tomorrow do some tomato and sugar, and then some other day do egg white. And that's all for today, guys. Bye.